Hello, hi everyone. Let's solve this problem. This problem came into CBSE exam. Question is if x is equal to e to the power cos 3t and y is equal to e to the power sin 3t, then we have to prove that dy by dx is equal to minus y log x divided by x log y. Okay, so what we have x is equal to e to the power cos 3t. Okay, then we will take that log both side, then it is a log x, and here log e to the power cos 3t, then it can be written like 3t cos 3t, correct. So it can be written like cos 3t log e, correct. Now log e is equal to 1, correct. So we have log x is equal to cos 3t, correct. Now we will differentiate with respect to t. So log x will be 1 by x dx by dt, correct. And here cos, differentiation of cos is minus sine, so minus sine 3t, and differentiation of 3t is what? We can write 3t by t. Okay, so this one we can put into bracket so that better understanding. Now dx by dt is equal to what? We can bring this x this side. Okay, so minus x sine 3t and 3 also, right? So 3 we can write in the beginning. Okay, so it is something like minus 3 sin 3t, correct. Similarly, now we will do for this. What we have, y is equal to e to the power sin 3t. Taking log both side, log y is equal to log e to the power sin 3t. Okay, then it is equal to sin 3t log e. Log e is equal to 1, then log y is equal to what? Sin 3t. Then differentiation with respect to t, then 1 by y dy by dt, correct. And here differentiation of sign is cos, so cos 3t and 3t will be 3, correct. So here dy by dx is equal to 3, we can write, will bring y this side. Okay, then y cos y3 cos 3t, correct. Now we got dy by dx, dy by dt, this is dt, right? So dy by dt we got, and dy by dt and dx by dt. Okay, so we got both the things. Now we'll do like this. We'll do we want what? Dy by dx, right? So for that we will put like a dy by dt and here dx by dt, correct. So dy by dt is your y3 cos 3t. Okay, and here this is your minus 3x sin t. Okay, what we have to bring out? See here, if you see log x is equal to cos 3t, so in place of cos 3t we can write log x, correct. So here we can write minus 3 what? Minus 3 y, in place of log cos 3t we can write a log x, right? So it is a log x, and here 3x in place of this is 3. Okay, so in place of sine 3t, in place of here in place of sine 3t we can write log y. See, okay, so here we can write log y. Okay, so now what is required, and this 3 will be get cancelled. So here if you see your dy by dx is equal to what we got, minus y log x and here x log y. Correct. So we got this. So this is your what is expected, right? dy by dx is equal to minus y log x and divided by x log y. Here if you see dy by dx is equal to minus y log x divided by x log y. So we got this answer. So but like here we have to focus and understand like why like we followed the process. Okay, so here it is given for x and y in the term of t. So we have to do the differentiation for x in with respect to t, for y also with respect to t. So we have given, right, x is equal to e cos t. When it is given like this, e or something, right, e to the power something, then in that way you have to take log. Okay, that is a like a natural concept. Okay, so when you are taking the log x will be 1 by x, and here whatever will be in the power, right, into the log it will come out. Correct. So cos 3t came out, and log e value is 1. So cos 3t, cos differentiation of cos is minus sign, so minus 3t, and differentiation of 3t will be 3 only. So here it is 3, and whatever was x this side it went here. Correct. Similarly for y is equal to e sin 3t. So again we have taken the log, then log y is equal to sin 3t, because log e is equal to 1. Again differentiation with respect to t. So we have brought y is equal to dy by dt is equal to y3 cos 3t. Correct. And again dy by dx we have to bring out, right? So dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Okay, so dy by dt is this much and dx by dt is this much. Okay, cos 3t value is what? Cos 3t value is log x. So we have put the log x. Sin 3t value is what? Sin 3t value is your log y. So we have put this. So 3 cancel. Okay, so minus y log x and divided by x log y. That is what is the differentiation of y. Of y. Okay, so this is what is your required answer. Okay, so hence it is proved LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so I have explained nicely twice. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.